large 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath ranch in Bendle Schools. This sprawling ranch on a large lot has many updates including new laundry room hookups, plumbing, bathroom, new jack posts installed in crawl basement area, new vapor barrier and new water lines installed at the street. You will love a large living room for entertaining along with spacious mud laundry room to house all of the kids' winter gear. Very large attached garage allows you to not only warm your car up on those cold winter mornings but still have tons of room for storage. The quiet streets, great neighbors and large backyard make this the perfect home for any family. Schedule your showing today. This could be your home tomorrow.